Current Affairs, 21st December 2020. Trolley Times. The farmers at Singhu border have started publishing their own bi-weekly newspaper called Trolley Times. The first edition was rolled out on Friday. The front page headline said, "Judenge, ladenge, jeetenge. United we will fight and win." The newsletter is brainchild of a team of 6 youngsters. It has been named so since it was planned and designed on a tractor trolley. The youngsters say this is their answer to those who dismissed the farmers as illiterate. Talking to the New Indian Express, Ajaypal Nath, one of the members of the team, said, "We decided to start this 4-page newsletter as both the protest sites at Singhu and Tikri are around 20 km each, and it is difficult for all the people to reach the stage and know what is happening. And most of them are also not on social media. So we brought out this newsletter so that everyone comes to know what is happening." Global Visionary of Sustainable Business and Peace Award. Industrialist Ratan Tata will be honored by the Indo-Israel Chambers of Commerce for promoting innovation that supports sustainability and peace in the region, including with the Palestinians. The chairman emeritus of the Tata Group will be honored with the Global Visionary of Sustainable Business and Peace Award during the launch of the Federation of Indo-Israel Chamber of Commerce's International Chapter in Dubai on 21st December. Young Champions of the Earth 2020. A 29-year-old Indian entrepreneur is among the 7 winners of the prestigious Young Champions of the Earth 2020 prize given by the UN Environment Agency to global change marketing using innovative ideas and ambitious, most pressing environment challenges. Vidyut Mohan, an engineer, is the co-founder of Takachar, a social enterprise enabling farmers to prevent open burning of their waste farm residues and earn extra income by converting them into value-added chemicals like activated carbon on site. UN Environment Programme (UNEP) said in a statement on Tuesday.